So everybody's all excited about this Sunday. All the MWO fans are heading to the Richfield Road Church in Flint this Sunday afternoon. The first live Michigan Wrestling Organization event of 2017. And it comes down to this. For the Dean boys, this is the absolute last time we waste our time with you. But the MWO officials and Pope Brandon Brownson more specifically decided to make this a 6-man tag team match. We have the luxury, and we are fortunate enough to step into the ring with real class on our side in the form of the superstar Alex Crow. And what do the Dean boys have? Some painted up, flash in the pan freak called A-Wicked. A-Wicked, you made a very dire mistake getting involved in this. You're going to find that out this Sunday. Tyler and Tyson Dean, this is the absolute last time we're wasting our time with you. See, PF and I, we've got bigger plans. Alex Crow has bigger plans. You three gentlemen will merely be a roadblock that we're just going to have to bulldoze through. And that's not going to be a problem. See you Sunday, boys.